Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a table in Excel. Let's go in. Go to Start and type Excel in search bar and open the Microsoft Excel. In this spreadsheet, we are going to create table with simple data. I will make warehouse stocks detail. We will give heading as serial number, items, stock in and stock out. I will give 5 stationery data here. 1. Pen. 2. Pencil. 3. Scale. 4. Box. 5. Rubber. Whenever we are doing table, try to make arrangement as center, it will give you good look. Select all data, go to home, click border, select all border, it will give table design. Select all heading which we given, make it bold. Now we will give value for pen, pencil, scale, box, rubber in stock in and stock out. In serial number, we have 5 data in table, so we need to give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If in case we have more than 10 data in that time, we can't give one by one, so for that we will type here as 1, 2 and select both. Click the corner point and drag down until our last column of data, or double click the corner point, it will autofill until last column of data. Now we will merge. Merge is nothing but more than 2 column combined as 1 column. Merge icon is available in home bar. Just select the warehouse stock heading and click to merge. And make it bold. Go to border and select thick border for warehouse stocks heading and change the color and size of the heading. This is how we need to make table in Excel. Okay guys, see you on another video. Until then, tata bye bye from MR. Thanks for watching.